In this guide, I'll show you how to make the bass shake effect in After Effects. Select the music layer and press L twice to reveal the waveforms. It will help you visualize the bass beat drops when listening to the song. Now position the playhead in the beginning of each beat and press the asterisk key to place the markers. Keep doing this onto your video where you want the bass shake effect. After this, right-click in the empty space in the timeline panel and add an adjustment layer. Ensure that the adjustment layer is above all video and audio layers. Now go to Effects and Presets and search for Fastbox Blur and drag and drop it on the adjustment layer. Set the blur radius to 100, iterations to 2, and blur dimensions to vertical, and make sure that the Repeat Edge Pixel option is enabled. Go to the timeline and bring the playhead to the beginning. To cut the adjustment layer down to 3 frames, press Page Down at least 3 times. Press Ctrl-Shift-D to split the layer. Do this at least 8 times and keep repeating the process. Just like this. Now delete the remaining layer. Then, simply select the first layer, leave the next, and choose the remaining, just like I am doing here. Now we are going to delete it. Then you can go and select the remaining layers. Right-click on them and select Pre-Compose, and then confirm it. After this process, check the Continuously Rasterize icon to make it an adjustment layer. Now duplicate each pre-comp by pressing Ctrl-D and place them with the markings. And it's done. Now you can see the amazing bass shake effect on your video.